Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video, I will show you how to turn on Network Discovery in Windows 11. Network Discovery allows your PC to find other device on the same network and lets other device find your computer as well. So let's get started. Firstly, go to Start menu. Here you will search for Settings. Tap to open Settings. In the left menu, click on Network and Internet. Scroll down till last. Then click on Advanced Network Settings. Under more, click Advanced Sharing and Settings. Here you will see Advanced Sharing Settings. Click on it. Now turn on Network Discovery. Here you will see. Turn it on. Save the changes. The settings are usually saved automatically. Close the settings window. Check if it works. So open File Explorer and now click on Network from the left sidebar. You should now see other available devices on your network. If any available, here you will see it will be start processing. If any other device will be connected on the same network, it will be showing there. So currently no device will be showing there because no any other device will be connected. So that's it. That's how to turn on Network Discovery in Windows 11. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.